Actually, I'm impressed, surprised, and that was probably one of the best experience during that renovation. The company did very well, and they're always on the phone, and I mean the quality of job is what I'm looking for. There have been 2 crews, because first they brought 5 windows here and installed just 4, because this particular wall wasn't ready yet. And then it was a second crew, and both crews are perfect. They know what they're doing, and no dust, no drop of something. They cover all my books, which I have, I mean, around 1,000 or 2, and there have been no complaints at all. The guys were pretty great, and they did it in 1 day, and she was 4 windows, which I wasn't expecting. And this round is also really nice. I'm happy. The product is good, the crew is good. What else we have to expect?